Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and welcome back to this video. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to buy crypto using your Bybit exchange app, how to buy on spot and also how to trade on spot. But before we get started, if you're new to this YouTube channel, do it to hit the subscribe button and also turn on post notification so that I can get notified whenever we post an important video like this. Without wasting much time, let's get started to the video. Right here is your Bybit homepage. So right here is your Bybit homepage. This is the homepage right here. This is the homepage, and right here you'll be seeing the market, trades, and assets. So in this video, I'm going to be making use of the demo account. So I'm going to be using demo account to show you how to do that. The reason I'm using demo account is because if you're not having funds enough, you can still practice how to buy and sell using your Bybit account. So right here is your demo account. You click on it. Once you click on it, right here you'll be seeing the amount of USDT you're being given. This is over 175,000 USDT. So right now you just go ahead and click on trade right here. Just go ahead and click on trade. So once you click on trade, alright, so once you click on trade, this is how it needs to look like. So right now you're going to select spot. You just click on spot right here. Just click on spot right here because we're going to be buying on spot. So right now, let's take for example, we want to buy this particular pair right now. This is Pulse USDT. Or let's take for example, we want to buy Solana. Yeah, let's use Solana as an example. We want to buy Solana. So now looking at this right now, the current price of Solana, it's around this price here, which is the green, which is 145.03. right now there are two options in which you're going to use, right? You can either decide to buy using limit order, or you want to buy using the current price right here. Now if you want to buy using limit order, you just have to click on this icon right here. Once you click on it, you click on limit, right? You click on limit. Once you click on limit, now you can see the current price right here. So right now, let's take for example, you want to buy at current price. So we just use current price and we select the amount of USDT. Let's take for example, you want to buy at 600 USDT. You can always use the slider if you want to use the slider. So let's take for example, we want to buy with $600 or let's say $1,000. So right now you can see the total right here. So I'm just going to click on buy, right? I'll click on buy icon here because I'm buying at the current market price. So I'll click on buy. So I bought at the current market price. So right now I've bought at the current market price and I want to sell, right? I want to sell. So right now if I want to sell, currently I have 6 sold, right? I have 6 sold right here. So if I want to sell, I can decide to sell at limit order, right? If you want to sell at limit order, you click on limit right here. So why are you selling at limit order? Because maybe you bought at 145.11, so you want to sell when Solana rises at, let's say, 145.17, right? So you just go ahead and put in your sell limit price, which is 145.17, right? Now you select the quantity. You select the quantity. You can say we bought at $1,000 and currently our we haven't made any profit. I'm just making this video to show you how to buy and sell. We can decide to hold it till it reach our price, our current market price we entered, or eventually give us some profit. But if you want to sell, you just click on this sell icon right here. If you're on buy right here, if you're on buy before, you just click on sell and you click on, you use the slider or you enter in manually, right? You can use the slider or enter in manually. So once you click on it, you just click on sell. So let's click on sell. Now if we click on sell sold, and congratulations, you've made your sale using your Bybit spot. So this is how to buy and sell on Bybit using spots on Bybit account. Alright, don't forget to subscribe if you're still watching this video up to this time, and there will be a link in the description below to our Telegram channel where we share trade signals every single day. Don't forget to subscribe. And also, if you're watching this video, you don't have an account with Bybit, there will be a link in the description below where you can create your account and also get a discount for doing that. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.